Hey everyone! Today I'm making my all-time favorite meal, spicy prawn fry with soft, warm chapati. Let's get cooking! First, the dough. A little wheat flour, a splash of water, and some gentle kneading until it's super soft. Roll it flat, place it on the pan, and watch it puff up like a warm balloon.
Now for the star of the show, fresh prawns, a pinch of turmeric, spicy red chili, some salt, and a squeeze of lemon.
Into the hot pan they go. Hear that sizzle? Flip them gently until they turn crispy and golden. Soft chapati paired with crispy, flavorful prawns, simply delicious. Try it out yourself.